Pero
Manilom,
not-
sama naman, no? I think. Okay na to. Sir, ito ba yung Asian? Ayun, tama. Okay na to, sir? Oh. Ay! Basta. Coins page, mag-host ako today. Basta. Alam mo na sa Cebu ka.
Specialist.
Galing. Ilan yung guest ninyo today? 70 lang. Ganun lahat tayo. 2024 ba yung last natin? 2024. Last walkthrough na lang. Sige. Good evening, everyone. Hi! Welcome to Coins HQ. How's everyone doing today?
We brought consensus to Hong Kong positive on the future of blockchain.
More about Coin's 2026 roadmap.
And I think that's probably another thing that's
She come to market.
Ay, hopefully, oo nga eh. Pwede kumuha? All yours. Thank you. Kuha dalawa. Ito lang, brother. Thank you so much. Ay, sige, kuha din na isang ganito. Sige.
Cellphone stand.
Okay. Walang libreng Bitcoin. Ayun. Thank you. Love you. Salamat. Salamat. Thank you.